how to fix error code like 0x800700E1 on your Windows 11 or 10. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the error problem while it's occur like when you are trying to set the .exe file from your laptop to your USB. So let's get started. On this process, at first, if you have any third-party antivirus installed on your PC, you'll have to just disable that antivirus from your PC, and after you disable it, you'll have to just open the Windows security on your system. So for that, you'll have to click on search bar just at the bottom of your taskbar, and from your search for Windows security. Alright, so after you find it, click on open. Okay, so from this interface, click on virus and threat protection. Alright, so from here you can easily do a quick scan for your laptop whether it's contain a virus or not with that files whom you want to share. So you can as usual go with the option quick scan, and after you complete a quick scan you'll have to go the options like virus and threat protection settings. So simply click on this manage setting. Alright, so from this virus and threat protection settings, make sure that you have turned on these features like real-time protection. So you have to just turn on the option real-time protection from your PC, and after you turn on this feature from here, you'll be able to fix that problem. And from here, you'll have to just again try to share your .exe file from your PC to USB. So on this time, you might be solving this problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.